Remake the Achi Kamataya Pauping. Shuri Lili Nit Rally Marathon Aina 7-a-side futsal tournament Rumiki that lay. Naga political issue maram ngasan khawai Nagaland UDA Aina Union Home Minister Samphangi that lay. How Tangkhul Chanjam Apora Yarini Pong Mihaira. Lake Yangator, Ajo the Tangkhul Express we bow Ringphawon Zimik in a Pamidalay, bow being Mesa in Anganang Ramsa. Rakara Kamate, Shuri Lili State, Nit Railway, Akai Akasada, Marathon, Kala, 7-a-side futsal tournament Rumiki that lately. State Nit Railway Entertainment Subcommittee we Azingli, T. Kolifna, Marathon Rumira, Kala Arang League na 7-a-side futsal tournament Rumira, Marathon J. Ajuwitarik Magada Turuptang Runki Kuchina. Ukrul aina Shuri Kapelaga, Ukruli, Young Unki Kuchi, half marathon J kilometer Magada Kani Shikawi, Shongza Ngukwiki Kuchina. Shongza Kungukwili, Kuyi Saman, Lubating Hangpangagada Ngaran Midale. Consolation with Saman Mitharagada Lila, Saman Mira, Marathon we Ming Guchanla Hapokaira. Mingjan Kasa Ajuwitarik Magaina Tangra, Marathon we Maram T. Kolifli. Ngating Kuibaira, Ashiwi number 6033881426 Maningaka 8660726165 Ling Hanwapaira. Shuri Lili Marathon Jui Maram Instagram official page TCOLEVE Lila Pau Sampangra. Shuri Lili State Level Festival Entertainment Subcommittee Aina Arang League na 7-a-side futsal tournament ngaranda Klejili, Zangkawai Mingjan Kasa Akama Aina Hapokda, Tarik Magada Aka Aina Tanda Atam Midale. Country Ting Hanji Shuri Lili Nitre Baida Savara, Hiwi Maram Hi Ukrul Additional District Magistrate Officely Sotang Gazida, Kamate Shuri Lili Festival Entertainment Subcommittee with Convener Ukrul ADC Jungleng Mang Kipchina Kahang. 7-a-side tournament he Kanui Todna Pasakapa or Ngariao Ngahanle Sharakui Kawai Kakutom Kasana. Ngariao Ngahanjina Nishari Mapamana Gaji awareness la Mida Nishawi Muhudle Pasakapa upon Ngariao Ngahan Kata Quising Tulu Gaji Kakutong Gaguzum Kasana the Hanga. Arang League with President Akui WR Nakahang 7-a-side futsal tournament Chile Team Tarada Turukna Chorokwira Atumna exhibition match Ngariao Kawai Manipur Chief Minister with Team Lila Ngohod Lechia. Exhibition match Chi Langtang Turf Crown League Ngariaura 7-a-side futsal tournament Kuyuya Shili Saman Lupa Lak Akamira Kala runner-up Li Lupa Tinghampanga Mira the Hanga. Semi-final Kashung Kashap Final Makakura Team Kanilila Lupa Tingtararip Mira the Leia. Best player, best goalkeeper, Kala top scorer Ping Lupa Ting Kanirip Sampangra 7-a-side futsal tournament Langtang artificial turf Kala Vashim Tang violent turf League Ngariauki that lay the line. 7-a-side futsal tournament with Maram Arang League with number 936635058 Kala 8259889168 Ling Hanwapaira. Shuri Lili Panidwi Akai Akasada bodybuilding Ranyela Runki that lay. Ranyeji bodybuilding Lui Ramli Paulak Kahai Robert Maite Nathanda Angaran Angaye Sadale. Atam Kasanga Zadra Kahai Naga political issue with Maramli Ngasan Kawai Nagaland Chief Minister Nefirio Kala United Democratic Alliance with legislators being Union Home Minister Amit Shali Sampangida Laidale. Atum Rakhara Haptali Kaziblabai the State Minister Akanahanga. Rio Deputy Chief Minister Y Batan, UDA Chairman D. Zilang, Co-Chairman Kuzolozu Nenu, Kala legislators being Akama Maningaka Kanautang, New Delhi Vara the State Minister for Planning and Coordination, Land Revenue and Parliamentary Affairs, Neiba Kronuna PTI Lihanga. Naga political issue with Parliamentary Core Committee li Nagaland Assembly with member Hang Turuk, Kala MP Khanizanga. Ukrul Town Baptist Church with Pastor Reverend Somi Kosomoshina Kakabi How Tangkhul Chanjam Koho Aporaji Aya Juhomi Haira. Apora ka chu ho rani chili long we kathana ping pastors ping NGOs we kathana ping Tangkhul literature committee we mi ping kala Tangkhul region we CAO la wazanga Khareli kanre shaizana kapi ka hai chanjam we aina kan khana tara ka sam ka phangthe kuida reverend somina la apora je kapi ka shokna da hang Jishu mararang laga kapi thai ka sa Greek Roman Chinese we aina nga heu yang laga ka thei athumi chanjam aina ishi Tangkhul we chanjam khangarai tara ka thei khuya ka chi hi kapi me chi na hang Reverend Somi Kusomoshina kapi ka hai apora hi Tangkhul di pai makeup ka chi atui ara aina kapi ka haina kala hi worshipli tam khui kapaya apora lakna ka chi hi hangda ithumi naw ngara pingla Tangkhul wi chanjam unilak aina thewaranu worshipli tam nga saksa da kapi me chi na hangsanga How Tangkhul chanjam apora ji Reverend Somi Kusomoshina awi ayivu aina awo yanglung aina Yershok Lali dedicate kasana da hanga. Tangkhul nagalong with Vice President Tuisem Kamgara na kahang. Reverend Somi we Tangkhul chanjam kapi kahai hiya. Pailak kahai apora lakna. Varishi kathana akana awo ayiwit learn how atamwi chanjam shiman hai paishina da mulung krik da anahiya ka hotna da khalehi itum tamkhui shikhui ngiya da Tangkhul nagalong Vice President jina ningashi phongshaka. Rani Chili Reverend Somiwe Ramwi Mutun aina ayo shinziyo nala wazangda Ramli Reverend Somi katha mi khalehi ringphalaka langsong yiya itumi magathei mawa kashung tharan ana atam kachida machan sang mishonda kala pastor akasada variety mang maningla itum how Tangkhul ngashan jithei khmeji ningshi jang khata da shinziyo na phongshoka Shimlui ngamwi mutun aina hunpunwi Associate Pastor Prem Relengla wazangda shimkhui shong aina ningshi phongshoka Reverend Somina awi yang learn kala shimkhuna gotomi da kapi kshok chiwiwang ningshi phongshok aina ngasoda apology kapi shok awo ayiwi chanjam shichinda khalaihi khiwiwang khala kaji thuklak aina muchut khawai Tangkhul shanaw longwi President Thingripi Lunghoro shina kasatsanga Arihon masi masa magapha atam hile ogutwi shiman hauki kji apong aina leida khlai hi thak khamai aina thuklak aina muchuk ngasak ngaya gji la hangsang Reverend Somi we apora jili yurli shepa sa khawai kala yur semka khawai machak tong kha changdalai lairi khi tong khana chishut misa da shinaw longwe president jina hangsang Changrapung Shangshak Likhlai Patkai Christian Academy li Otmam Hangdalai Principal Sakhawai High School la College li Tamgachithei kala Administrative Experience khalai mi phadalai Principal Otpam Wiwang B.Ed ainang soda MA maningaka MSc kupka hai mina thasang paira kachang chang tolop lupa thing thumra langdalai Chungmai khawai khangazek la ngazek paira BGT Mathematics Wiwang la Jishut me Otpam Hangdalai Jishut me sakhawai B.Ed ainang soda MSc kupka hai mi darga sai Reader worship ni matam jithe rang kachi pingla thasang paira Jishut me we tolop na kachang le lupa thingmaga kadale Patkai Christian Academy we Otpom Chile Ningasang Pina Atumi resume Batkai 2011@gmail.com le Jehovah paira Maram kup mai theikhwai 9612045898 maningaka 9366400072 ling hanwa paira Pau ka mang narang laga kishikawang breakwisa
Dr. Helena Eye Care Center, opposite Raj Medicity, North AOC, Imphal. Dr. Helena Eye Care Center li surgery, prosthetic eye, contact lenses, artificial eye testing, frames, different fibers, glasses, hikatata sapaira. Visiting hours na summerly Monday to Saturday 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Sunday li na 8 a.m. to 12 noon na. Appointment Vivang 977-406-5535 li call Sami Paira.
NGO Art of Living na Manipur Network of Positive People MNP Plus li ngashi khuida network jiwi members being immunity matha khamai kala phasa pha khamai mirin ringkhawai kotomi dalai Guru Sri Ravi Shankar na Haukapok International NGO je ogutu wingale shaka hangthuru kadali ot sadak leina NGO ji na achonthang Manipur network of positive people li immunity kits think academy haira boost immunity boost life kachi rani aka MNP plus wi yai school office li khwikada chili Guru Ravi Shankar wi hangthurugda kathurga kaphra Zimik shola mayona beneficiaries pingli immunity kits ayurvedic supplements yangang tablets amrut tablets kapasur kutiner Shakti drops higata hijangda yaumia Rani Chile MSA CS CSTV Joint Director Dr. Hemolaita Thokchamna Maso Sada Art of Living Aina MNP Plus na HIV kagaza nauping pasama tha khawai ngachon mida khlele so khangai phongshoka Dr. Thokchamna kahang HIV kagaza nauping wiwang art milala atumi pasamang maningla ning gazat mental health lila yang sangkhamidar ga salaka ning ringpha khamai art of living na ngachon mida khle chi phala ka da thokchom na hang MSA CSW IT coordinator Khatri Mayum Deepak na kahang immunity kit yaw khami mang maningla art of living hina immunity mathamai khawai kala khak kusui exercise hi kathala tam chitheya da NGO jiwi mi Rajakir Rahman hang MNP Plus with President Lema Pokpam Deepak na Art of Living li ningshi phongshok da members ping na phasamang maningla ning wiwang stress management na tamlo gi hi hang sarkar na mental health wellness wiwang Art of Living li ngashik da khika samilo da poya kapo jiling hanka da Dr. Hemolata na Makashoi Salagra da hang adventure sports expert kala Art of Living with faculty Dr. K Romeo Mitena Rani jile khakusui exercise la sajitheya Nishari Pobi think why state chokarna hotna da khlele kagatom phongshok mamandalai Tangkhul jangda pumai kathana la khokha sada Nisha Pobi shimidra kachi ngawaw ngarok haira Ayala Cycle Assembly Constituency with MLA Kim Nyao Haukip Hangshing na thanda Chiwi Village Chief Pingna War on Drugs campaign li kagatom tutak kata Chief Minister N Biren Singh li misang haira Nishari think khawai sara kachi tutak je cycle li khlai khung hang phanga ga dana shoi sada cycle AC li pobi lui khawa katha kwi alung li thing haura kachi hi mayang roka Kalak pobi lui salaga lamphai ka sanau ping wiwang langgaphai apong kate khwirami khawai state chokali pora kachila hang State li leader clay chadur long now ngate te dana sarkar we war on drugs campaign li kagatom chithei da clay maram li Chief Minister N Biren Singh na ringapha phongshoka cycle AC we village chief pinglila ningshi maya khangai phongshoka Cycle pambang maningla state we apam kataili khalai cookie pingnala kagatom phongshoka da Chief Minister na hanga Horticulture Tribal Affairs Hills Department ning sanlaga pobi we muhud langphai khawai apong kate khwirami lakra da Chief Minister na hanga Cycle AC le veterinary arishang la mini stadium la masangla semka haura kachila hanga pau kate manganarang laga kishinaka break khwisa
R&T Institute and Aviation Academy Imphal is organizing a one-day walk-in interview for international air hostess training and airport operational staff training on the 20th of May 2022 at Shalom Cafe, Winnow Bazaar, Ukhrul from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. The institute will be here for the second time. So far, the institute has provided placement to 3 of the trainees as cabin crew for Indigo Airlines from the first walk-in interview in Ukhrul.
Join R&T Institute and Aviation Academy and live your dreams.
Northeast we apam ngatei te dale thongyang jangda kajing hero fura da MET department na hangdale Meghalaya leva mershun aina romangra Assam Arunachal Pradesh Sub Himalayan West Bengal Sikkim hikathale jingrod khamra fura da hangdale Aya Manipur Nagaland Mizoram kala Tripura le kajing murda khro thekhuya Arunachal Pradesh Assam Meghalaya Nagaland Manipur Mizoram Tripura Sub Himalayan West Bengal Sikkim lila jingrod khamar fura da hangdale Lat Luchita Achui Kamataya Paupi Shuri Lili Nit Rally Marathon Aina 7-a-side futsal tournament Rumiki that lay Naga political issue maram ngasan khawai Nagaland UDA Aina Union Home Minister Samphangi that lay How Tangkhul Chanjam Apora Yarini Pong Mihaira Achui Pau Henang Changhairo Pau ngana datlay na tum psycho relate ring pa kalat mahaya Zimik Show sa serano